Hey guys, Top Dealser has earned money online from YouTube Shorts. So if you guys want to go ahead and earn your own money online through posting YouTube Shorts, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do this step by step. Please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright guys, so in order for us to basically earn money through posting on YouTube Shorts, well, first of all, we need to choose our content strategy. So whether that may be repurposing viral content, we can actually go ahead and search and go on to the YouTube Shorts program or go to the YouTube Shorts section on YouTube and look through the different shorts available on here, and you can actually go ahead, get some ideas of what shorts are going viral and get some ideas through there. That is basically one of the best ways for you guys to earn money through YouTube Shorts. Choose by going through each and every viral YouTube short and getting some ideas. Or you could also repurpose them and taking some small part of that video and reposting it on your own YouTube channel. But once you have already found what specific content strategy that you should do, whether that may be repurposing viral content, repurposing your own content, making your own content by starting from scratch, we need to do next is to go ahead and join the YouTube Shorts Partner Program. Now what the YouTube Shorts Partner Program is, it is basically the program of YouTube Shorts to provide to its users a way for them to earn money. As you look this up through, you're gonna go ahead and have the sign up option for, of course, you guys to enter the YouTube Shorts Partner Program. So you can actually go ahead and tap on this link over here and tap on Start Advertising. But before we do that, we do need to be aware that the YouTube Shorts Partner Program does needs its creator to have at least 1,000 subscribers and either 4,000 watch hours or 10 million views in the last. So that is not really an easy feat to acquire. But if you are one of those users who already have this established, you are worthy and eligible of applying for the YouTube Shorts Partner Program. Once you have done that, of course, you could now go ahead and basically reach more customers and basically target your content to those specific people. And from there, you may also earn money through the, well, Google AdSense program. That's all for this video guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.